What's going on, everyone? Brian and Priscilla here, and today we decided to go on a little road trip to the south, and I mean the deep, deep south, Key West. And check out this view right now. We're driving through the Keys. Absolutely beautiful water. Look at that turquoise color. We decided to rent out an Airbnb boat at a marina in Key West. We're hoping it's going to be really awesome. Of course, you never know what you're going to get totally. The reviews looked really good, so we're taking a chance. We booked that, and we're going to have an awesome time, right, Priscilla?
Yeah, that's great.
Yep. So let's keep on driving. All right, what's going on? So we just made our first pit stop on our trip at the Lorelei Restaurant and Cabana Bar. This is on Isla Mirada, right? Yep. We're on Isla Mirada Key now, and it's at 12 o'clock noon, and figured this looked like a pretty good place to stop. And look at this, we're just chilling out here. The sand is our floor that our feet are in right now. Little umbrella table. Conch sandwich that I got. Priscilla got a quesadilla.
Yep.
Well, check out, look at this view. People feeding little fishies behind us. Yeah, not a bad, don't spill that. Not a bad first stop to our trip. Let's dig in. How was your food?
It was really good. It was a lot of food too.
Yeah, actually, I think Priscilla had the better meal.
The shrimp
quesadilla, that was legit. So if you guys ever check this place out, I would order that. My conch sandwich, it was all right. Anyways, and of course, that awesome experience sitting out on the on the beach with the sand and everything. That was cool. Because you could sit, of course, inside right there in the little covered bar area. So anyways, what is our next stop?
Key West.
Our next stop is Key West. Yeah. All right, guys, so we just finally got settled in on our Airbnb boat right there. That's it. Check it out. Yeah. One of the convenient things about this is we get a park actually right there behind me. But yeah, so here's the vessel. We're gonna hop over here. Hopefully I don't fall in. And here's a little back lounge area. Give you guys a quick little tour of the boat. Got a little lounge area to hang out at. Up here too, there's the captain's seat. And here is the hatch to explore inside. And what do we find in here but
me,
Priscilla? There she is, and this is the inside. Check it out. Priscilla's already chowing down on Doritos, getting nice and full with baby Logan.
Baby Logan, he loves Doritos.
He loves Doritos, and so does Priscilla. So yeah, actually, not a bad setup. First thing I noticed as soon as I came in was this nice frosty cold air conditioning. That was if you guys saw our other Airbnb boat video, it was out over the water, which was a whole different experience. This one obviously is parked at a marina with some really cool yachts around. But yeah, completely different experience. This one being at the marina actually has some nice AC blasting out of this hole right here. Oh, it's like winter. It feels so good compared to the 95 to 100 degree outside Key West temperature. But yeah, a little TV up there. Not sure what we'll watch on that. I think it's just for those DVDs.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe they have Netflix. It does have Wi-Fi. So yeah, apparently this has Wi-Fi. This is the bathroom, which we will not be using. You can go number 1, but not number 2, because of boat plumbing issues. But actually, peek back up out here. If you guys can see that building behind us right there, that's actually where they have showers, the restroom, where you can go number 2. Anything you need right there. So, anyways, yeah, that's gonna be our bed down there. It actually goes underneath the boat. Not too bad.
There's a little fridge in here.
You do have a little fridge down here.
Stove,
sink, even a microwave. I was already opened up this cabinet, and our host left us with some little oats for fish food, because he did provide 2 kayaks for me and Priscilla to kind of explore the island a little bit later, so maybe we can have some fun with that. Here's like an extra little like mattress area. We're just going to use this to store all of our luggage. Camera gear, check. And then Brian and Priscilla's clothes, check, very important. Gonna wipe everything down, of course, because of COVID. And yeah, that is the basic tour. So I don't know what we're gonna do next. We'll figure it out. That right there is a nice boat. So is that one. Boom. All right, so one of the cool things about staying on this boat at this marina is we actually have access to all of the hotel amenities. This is the Perry Hotel, right?
Yep.
It includes 2 pools, fitness center, there's a bar. So we're gonna go actually on our first evening here in the Keys. We're gonna pretty much have a chill day because I've been driving all day. Priscilla's tired, yeah. I'm kind of tired. So we're gonna check out the pool, relax at the bar. I may have a margarita or 2. Priscilla will have a
0.
Water, maybe 2, maybe 3 if she gets really crazy.
Yeah. I'm feeling crazy today. So.
Pretty crazy. So yeah, check back in with you guys in a minute. So this is the Perry Hotel pool. The bar is right over there where I got the margarita. Beautiful little resort with 2 beautiful people. And I'm just drinking the margarita. And yeah, this is a nice kickoff to our Airbnb Key West vacation. Yeah, so Priscilla and I just found our next capital expense. Totally. That is nice. How was the pool?
Oh, it was so good.
Yeah.
It was really warm.
Yeah, pool was awesome. Yeah, the water was really nice, warm. And that margarita was on point as well.
And my water was delicious.
Best water ever. So refreshing, so hydrating. Hey, buddy.
gotta figure out how to follow. Come on. She's gonna try to follow you. There she goes.
Oh my god.
There she goes.
Crying with you one.
She's quick.
Yeah, she is.
I really want one now.
You gotta have. They're not bad pets.
Yeah. So this guy here has a pet dog, and the dog has a pet chicken.
Oh my god. I'm in love with her.
That's pretty awesome. Home sweet home. I could do it. I could live on a boat. Totally do it.
You live on that boat.
I could live on the that boat
Yeah, I can.
or that boat.
Yeah. This one, I can come on weekends. But
Yeah. All right, so we just did a short little, like less than 10-minute drive from Stock Island to, we are now parked on Duval Street. We're actually not gonna eat anything seafood related tonight, but where are we going? A Japanese
it is
steakhouse or sushi?
It is sushi.
Okay, well, we're gonna check it out. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. But yeah, I mean, look at this place. I'm sure Key West typically, especially on Duval Street at night, is probably like crazy busy, but obviously with this going on and this going on, like, I mean, look at this. There's very few people out. It is a Monday night, but still, like, it's still at the end of summer. But yeah, pretty eerie, right? So anyways, we're gonna grab some grub. Look at that, they have a digital fish tank on the wall. Crazy. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and then click over to the next video where we're going to take a private charter out over the water to go snorkeling on one of the Key West coral reefs. We're going to see some amazing animals, so you don't want to miss it.